Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Nana, I taught her a new trick. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
Look at her.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Stop, she just keeps on going. This is not real.
Isn't she funny?
I know. You gotta put this on Facebook. And send it to me.
Toys, you feel good?
And she's doing it again. How many times is she gonna do that? I guess you're right. She really does feel good. Chi-Chi always feels good because she always says that. If we put this on YouTube, it would get like 500 likes a day.